How can I help my patient when treatment requires complex therapies and multiple devices? Every patient is different, and every setting has its own demands. The plus in safety.
What can I do if a critically ill patient requires therapeutic apheresis? I need a device that provides guidance to help me make the right decision, not make it more complex. The plus in control.
I've worked with systems that cover the basics, but I kept running into limits.
What I need is a device that gives me the freedom to adapt and deliver better care. The plus in flexibility. The plus that makes your difference. Ready for tomorrow, today.
OMNI Plus.